హాయ్ వ్యూయర్స్, నా సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్కి నా వీడియో చూస్తున్న వాళ్ళందరికీ ముందుగా దసరా శుభాకాంక్షలు. రిగార్డింగ్ 7th క్లాస్ ఆల్రెడీ నేను సింపుల్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ మీద కంపేరింగ్ క్వాంటిటీస్ మీద వీడియో చేస్తున్నాను. ఐ హోప్ యూ హ్యావ్ యూటిలైజ్డ్ దెమ్. అట్ ప్రెజెంట్ లైన్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్స్ మీద వీడియో చేస్తున్నాను. వీడియోని కంప్లీట్గా చివరి దాకా స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి, అప్పుడే మీకు అది యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. నా ఇప్పుడు లైన్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్స్ మీద వీడియో చేస్తున్నాను. తప్పక చూడండి, స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చూడండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో లైన్స్ అండ్ యాంగిల్స్. Suppose when two lines meet a point, then an angle is formed. This is interior angle, this is exterior angle. Is it? When two lines intersect, then four angles are formed, four interior angles. So these are called angles. Simply, angle means it is union of the two rays. Definition of angle: angle is the union of two rays. Now, already you have known in 6th class there are different types of angles. Acute angle, which is less than 90 degrees. Right angle, which is equal to 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, more than 90 degrees. Straight angle, which is equal to 180 degrees. Completed angle, which is equal to 360 degrees. And reflected angle, which is between 180 and 360, reflected angle. So all this you have known, you have studied in 6th class. Now here we can see, we can discuss lines and angles. So angles, angle, suppose this angle is this line AB, this is CD. AB perpendicular to CD. It means this side 90 degrees formed, this side also 90 degrees formed. So here you can divide, suppose this side 60 degrees, this is 30 degrees. 60 plus 30, 90. Here also if you draw one line, this is 70, this is 20. 70 plus 20, 90 degrees. So here, when two angles, 60 plus 30 degrees, equal to 90 degrees, the angles are called complementary angles. So what they are called? Complementary angles. So when sum of two angles, for example one more, 70 plus 20 degrees equal to 90 degrees. These two are called complementary angles. So when sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then one angle is complementary to each other. So complementary angle of 70 degrees is 20 degrees. Complementary of 60 degrees, 30 degrees. Like that, complementary of 30 degrees, 60 degrees. So you remember that complementary angles means when sum of two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then the two angles are complementary to each other. One more example, suppose 45 degrees. 45 degrees. What is the complementary angle of 45 degrees? 45 only. So 45 plus 45, 90 degrees. So complementary angle of 45 degrees is 45 only. So what is the angle complementary to itself? 45 degrees. Very important, remember that point. Is it clear? Now let us discuss what are supplementary angles. So see here, we know this angle is a straight angle. This is 110, suppose. This will be 70 degrees. So this is called straight angle. 110 plus 70, 180 is straight angle. When sum of two angles, 110 plus 70 degrees equal to 180, then the two angles are supplementary to each other. So second time, supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. So what are supplementary angles? When sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, the two angles are supplementary to each other. Suppose a supplementary angle of 20 degrees, 160. What is supplementary angle of 60 degrees, 120? Simply you subtract 60 from 180. We get its supplementary angle. So what are supplementary angles? When sum of two angles is equal to 180 degrees, then one angle is complementary to each other. So here you see one more example, that is 90 plus 90, we get 180. So supplementary of 90 is 90 only. So what is the supplementary angle? What angle is supplementary to itself? 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is the supplementary angle to itself. Is it clear? So what is supplementary angle of 40 degrees? 40 degrees supplementary angle. Subtract 180 minus 40. We get 140 degrees is supplementary angle. So is it clear? Now let us see one question. So what is there any angle? If one angle is suppose 45 degrees, what is the complementary angle of 45? Is it greater than 45? Is the complementary angle is greater than 45? No. So since its complementary angle is 45 degrees only. Why? Because 90 degrees minus 45 is 45. So complementary angle of 45 degrees is never greater than 45. Is it? It is equal to 45 only. One more point remember here. Suppose if you take one angle is 50 degrees, its complementary angle is less than 45. What is complementary angle of 50? 40 degrees. So it is less than 45. So here 50 greater than 45 degrees, its complementary angle is less than 45. One more example, say, suppose 20 degrees, it is less than 45. What is the complementary angle of 20 degrees? 70 degrees. So complementary of 70 degrees is, complementary of 20 degrees is 70. So it is greater than 45 degrees. So remember this relation. Is it clear? So when one angle is greater than 45, its complementary is less than 45. When one angle is less than 45, its complementary angle of 20 degrees is greater than 45. Next, what is transversal? Suppose when two lines are there, when a line passing through these two lines at two different places, then it is called transversal. So here L, M and R two lines. Here P is transversal. Why? P cuts L at A, M at B. So when a line intersects two lines at two different points, then the line is called transversal. Suppose two lines are like this. So a line is going like this. So here P1 is a transversal. Suppose one more line passing like this, P2. Now this is not a transversal. Why? Here P1 passing two different points, crossing at two different places. But here P2 touches or cuts or intersect at same point. So P2 is not transversal. So when two lines are there, here P is a transversal, then it forms 8 different angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different angles are formed here. So here angle 1, 2, 7, 8 are called exterior angles. 1, 2, 7, 8. Since they lie exterior, so they are called exterior angles. 3, 4, 5, 6. They are called interior angles. Is it clear? Next, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8. They are called opposite vertical angles. 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 8 are called opposite vertical angles. Next, 3, 5, 4, 6. 3, 5, 4, 6 are called alternative interior angles. They lie either side of the transversal inside and they are not adjacent angles. Such angles are called alternative interior angles. What are they? 3, 5, 4, 6 are called alternative interior angles. Is it? Next, 1, 5, 4, 8, 2, 6, 3, 7 are called corresponding angles. So corresponding angles, one angle is exterior and other are interior. They lie same side of the transversal and they are not adjacent angles. Such angles are called corresponding angles. So what are they? 1, 5, 4, 8, 2, 6, 3, 7 are called corresponding angles. Next, 3, 6. Angle 3 plus 6 equal to 180. 4 plus 5 also 180. So this property also remember, angles at the same side of the sum of two interior angles, 4, 5 interior, 3, 6 interior, sum of two interior angles at the same side of the transversal is always 180 degrees or supplementary. Supplementary means 180. Is it? Now last one, 1, 7. 1, 7, 2, 8. 1, 7, 2, 8. They are alternative exterior angles. They are called alternative exterior angles. What are they? 1, 7, 2, 8. They are called alternative exterior angles. So here you remember one thing. When two lines are parallel, so parallel means there is no common point for both the lines, even they are extending. So when two lines are parallel, when P is a transversal, here 8 angles are formed. So when two lines are parallel, then first thing their alternative angles are equal. These two angles equal. And like that, these two angles also equal. When two lines are parallel, when P is a transversal, here alternative angles are formed. So these two pairs are equal. These two pairs, this angle is to this angle and this angle is to this angle. Suppose this is the 40, this is also 40. Is it clear? Next. So when two lines are parallel, their corresponding angles also equal. These two angles are equal. Corresponding. Like that, these two are equal, corresponding angles. And this angle equal. And this angle is equal to this angle. Since they are corresponding angles. So when two lines are equal, when two angles are parallel, then their corresponding angles are, pair of corresponding angles are equal. How many pairs here? 4 pairs are equal. So when two lines are parallel, their opposite angles are equal, opposite vertical angles. These two equal. Like that, this angle is equal to this angle. And this angle equal to this angle. and this angle equal to this angle. So when two lines are parallel, when we draw a transversal, then opposite vertical angles are found, 4 pairs. So they are equal. When it is these two lines must be parallel, then only opposite vertical angles are equal. Is it clear? So when two lines are parallel, sum of interior angles at the same side of the transversal is 180. It means suppose this is 70, this should be 110. Is it? And this is 110, this should be 70. So when these two lines are parallel, sum of two interior angles at the same side of the transversal is always supplementary. It means it is 180. Is it clear? So remember all the properties of parallel lines. Is it? What are they? Number 1, pair of alternative angles equal. Pairs of corresponding angles are equal. Opposite vertical angles equal. Next, alternate exterior angles equal. Sum of interior angles at the same side of the transversal is 180. Now, let us see some problems in the exercise. I hope you have understood the chapter lines and angles. Shortly, I want to upload the remaining chapters in 7th class. I hope my videos are very useful to you. So, to encourage and support me, please like, share, and subscribe my channel and comment about my channel also.